Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to this 15-minute full body yoga stretch specially designed for beginners, where we'll focus on slow, mindful movement, deep breathing, and gentle stretches to help open up the body, ease any tension, ache, pain, and relax all your muscles. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Palms are in receiving. Take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, close your eyes. Just bringing all your awareness to your breath. Noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the movement in your abdomen. With every inhalation, you're trying to sit a little taller. With every exhalation, just letting your lower body go heavy on the mat. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to soften. You can continue to keep your eyes closed or keep a soft gaze. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Bring that left arm in line with your shoulder. Turn your palms away from you. Bend at the elbow and wrap it around your waist. Feel a nice stretch all along the left part of your shoulder to your neck. Remember not to raise your shoulders. Just dropping the right ear towards your right shoulder. Exhale. With every exhalation, you're trying to create more length. And then very slowly, drop your chin in the direction of your chest. Bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. You're going to draw circles with the tip of our nose clockwise. But if you're not comfortable and you feel the full circle is intense, then just go half the way. Just go half of the circle, bringing your left ear to your left shoulder, and then you can come back. Right ear back to right shoulder. So we're going to do 3 of this together. You choose what feels good in your neck. The whole idea of yoga is to be completely aware in your body, especially during your asana practice. And 3. Drop your chin to chest. Slowly bring your gaze back forward. Release that hand. See how that feels. Reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Bend at the elbow. Drop your palm wherever it lands, behind your neck, between your shoulder blades, between your shoulders. With your right hand, grab hold of your left elbow and try and push this down, creating a nice stretch all along the triceps. Inhale, completely exhale. From there, we're gently going to bend towards the right side, creating the nice stretch all along the left side of your body. With every exhalation, trying to bend deeper. As you inhale, slowly come up. Release that hand, drop it down. See how one side of your body feels compared to the other. This time, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Right arms in line with your shoulders. Turn your palms away towards the back wall. Bend at the elbow. Wrap it around your waist. Inhale. Completely exhale, letting your left ear drop towards your left shoulder. Notice how the right side, the space between your ears and shoulders feel. Stay here for another breath. And then we're going to go anti-clockwise, dropping your chin in the direction of your chest. Again, your choice, just halfway, roll all the way. Bringing your right ear to your right shoulder, or you want to go full circle. It's your choice. Otherwise, you come halfway and then go back. 2 and 3. Release that hand. Bring the palm to rest at your neck or the space between your shoulders. With your left, grab hold of your right elbow. Pull and stretch and hold. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. Stay there for another breath. And then the next time you exhale, bend towards the left side. And 1, slowly come back. Release your hands, drop your hands down, roll your shoulders towards your ears, roll it back, drop your ear to either side. See how that feels, how your neck feels, the space between your shoulder feels. Bring the soles of your feet to touch, knees open wide. Try and drop your thighs towards the mat. Grab hold of your toes. If you can, bring your heels close to your groin. If not, let it just stay there. And then start moving your thighs up and down like the wings of the butterfly. Drop it down. 2, 1. About 5 to 10 pulses here. And then slowly press your thigh towards the mat. Try and draw your heels closer towards your groin. Pull the elbows towards your waist and lean forward. See that your thighs are not lifting up. Press those thighs into the earth. Spine is straight. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. Staying here for 2 more breaths. If you want, drop your chin in the direction of your chest, forehead in the direction of your toes. Thighs start lifting up. Press it towards the earth. Stay with your breath. Nice, slow, deep breaths in and out. Slowly roll up. Bring your knees together. Swing your legs to one side. Knees beneath your hip, toes behind your knees. Open your palms wide. Fingers are wide so you're able to see the color of the mat. You can keep your toes engaged or top of your feet rest on the mat. Arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. As you breathe out, round. Pulling the navel in, dropping your chin to chest. Trying to bring the forehead or crown of the head towards the mat. Gaze at your navel or knees. Arch. Gaze forward. Exhale. Chakravakasana. We're just moving between Bithilasana, your cat stretch, and Anjaneyasana, your cow stretch. 2 more rounds like that. It's great to open up your spine. Also, it massages all your abdominal organs. Send your hips towards your heel. This time, take your right hand, raise it up towards the ceiling. Try and sit at your heels. You want to open your knees wide. Thread your right hand space between your left wrist and your left knee. Drop your shoulders. Try and drop the right side of your face. You can extend that left hand as far as it can go. Feeling a nice stretch on the outside of your shoulder blades.
Stay here with your breath. The more deeper your breath is, the longer your exhalations are, the more you'll be able to relax into the stretch. Come back. This time, thread the other hand. Left hand in the space between your right wrist, right knee, hands extend, or you can rest it. It depends on how you feel in your shoulder. The more relaxed your breathing is, you'll notice you're able to sink deeper to the pose. Inhale, slowly come up. Press your toes into the mat. Press your palms into the mat. Knees come off. Arms in line with your ears. Simply bend your right knee. The toes are in one straight line, both your legs. Right knee is bent, left heel comes to rest on the mat. Left knee is bent, right heel comes to rest on the mat. Here, if you want to send your seat in the direction of the ceiling, arms in line with your ears. Alternate. 3 more on each leg. 3, 2, and 1. Now step your right leg between your palms. Drop your left knee here. You can bring your hips directly over your knees and the front knee over your ankles. Reach your hand up towards the ceiling, Anjaneyasana. If you think you can go slightly into a deeper stretch, send your knees in the direction of your toes. Reach those arms up. Stay here. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. If this is too much, hands can come to rest on your thigh. You see what works for you. 1. Drop your left hand on the inside of your right foot. Right hand up towards the ceiling. Easy twist. Exhale. Now drop that hand down. Again, if your hips have moved forward, bring that hip directly, the back hip directly over your left knee and slide the right leg forward. Hands on either side. Pull the elbows in, belly towards your thigh. Feel a nice stretch all along the back of your legs. Chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. Stay and hold with every exhalation, trying to bring the belly towards your thigh. Ardha Hanumanasana. Press your feet into the mat. Press your back toe. Lift that knee up. Walk your back foot forward. Bring your chin to your chest, forehead towards your knee. Take another deep inhalation. Completely exhale, trying to bring your forehead in the direction of your knee. Bend your knee. Step back. Shake those legs out. And now step your left foot between your palm. Drop your right knee behind your right hip. Anjaneyasana. Your choice. Either hands up in the direction of the ceiling or come to rest on your thigh. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 and 1. Now slowly bring your right hip directly over your left knee. Drop your right hand inside of your left foot. Reach that left arm in the direction of the ceiling. Easy twist. And 1. Drop it down. Send your left heel so that your right hip is directly over your right knee, hands on either side. With every exhalation, trying to bring your belly towards your thigh. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to soften. Try and bring your forehead in the direction of your knee, abdomen towards your thigh. Ardha Hanumanasana. Notice a stretch all along the back of your legs. And 1, press your feet into the mat. Press your back toe. Knees come off. We're going to transition into pyramid pose. Parshavattanasana. Inhale, completely exhale. If this is too much, as a beginner, you can always hinge at your hip, drop your hands down or bring it to rest on your thigh. See what works for you. You can also stay on your fingertips. You can keep blocks if you have the yoga blocks or some books of equal height and place your hands there. Completely exhale. You can't go any further. Chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Bend the knee. Step back. Bring your knees onto the mat. Open your knees as wide as you can. Big toes to touch. Bring your forearms or palms towards the mat. Rest your forehead here. If this feels too much, maybe you need to widen your knees and just bring your palms, drop your chin, your palms on the mat and drop your chin towards your chest. Next, you can always place a pillow or a block here, rest your forehead. And if you think you can go further, stay here, breathing in, breathing out. Two. And 1. Now slowly inhale, come up. Bring your knees together. Stack your palms one over the other, left over your right. The tip of your thumbs touch each other, pointing in the direction of your nose. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Just letting your hips sink further into your heels. We'll chant one round of Om and end the session. And as you exhale, Om. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I hope you can take all the sense of openness and calmness into everything that you do throughout your day. If you have any questions or queries related to today's practice, write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.